Director General of Police DGP L.R. Bishnoi, along with Deputy Inspector General DIG Davis N.R. Marak, is visiting various polling stations in both urban and the outskirts to ensure a free and peaceful election. While speaking to reporters after inspecting the polling stations at Sankardev College, Bishnoi said that they are visiting the various polling stations in the urban as well as the outskirts with the objective to inquire any problem if faced by the police personnel on duty or by the civil staff deployed for election duty.
Basically, we are visiting the various polling stations in urban as well as the countryside just to see the security arrangement and to inquire whether any problems is faced either by the police personnel on duty or by the civil staff deployed for the election duty. Just it's a kind of visit to supervise the security arrangement and also to interact with the people to understand if they have any issues